our ingredients, we would be needing 1/4 cup butter, 2 teaspoon vanilla, 1 egg, 1 3/4 cup milk, baking powder 4 teaspoon, baking soda 1/4 teaspoon, salt 1/2 teaspoon, sugar 1/4 cup, and flour 2 cups. First step, let's mix all the dried ingredients together. Then, let's put in all the wet ingredients. Let's mix until the batter becomes smooth. Alright, let's start cooking. Set the heat to low to medium. Put a little butter on the pan. Pour 1/4 cup of the hot cake batter on the pan. You know it's ready to be flipped when you see bubbles on the surface.